We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day. Hey everyone, this is Cam Jones, daily analysis, and we are marking up Blmn. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Last candle in the market, all the way to the right-hand side, is a bearish inverted hammer. Bearish hammer. So price is working its way down from this, trying to work its way down from the area, may come into an area of support. So we're looking at the structure overall. We're looking at higher highs, lower lows. We have the midpoint, and right below, or right at price, below the wick, we can see price is near tagging out midpoint. We're going to see if we're going to get that breakthrough, or the market's going to respect that area of support and come up. So if that area is respected, we'll be looking for, respected for the uptrend. You'll see the market come down for that first leg, push up for that second. Price action is currently on third leg. We're going to see if we're going to get that fourth leg to push up for that formation of that W. And we'll be looking for the break and retest at areas. We don't know if it's going to be bullish coming all the way up, or it's going to be break and retest at level highs. Price action drop is come down. We're looking at price attack the area of resistance. So price will be coming from this high, which is identifying a single top and a retest. Market push once, and that's the full market break of that area. So market broke that second level highs to come back to retest, push down further to see if it's going to break, retest, drop down previous areas of lower lows of the overall market. Price action on the weekly time frame. Let's see what's going on. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish hammer. So price is working its way down. So it's the same candle that we do see on a monthly time frame work its way down to that area, that midpoint, tagging that area of support multiple times. So if that market is going to drop down from that decline that is coming from that downtrend, coming to this area of support, we see that wedge pattern is in. We'll be looking for the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest came all the way back up to second levels of that midpoint, which created that W pattern. So overall, that's still the break and retest. So market broke that structure, came down to a double bottom, pushed up to a midpoint. We look for an engulfing pattern here to see if that market's going to drop down. It did. So we're going to see if this market will be respected for this incline triple top. See if it's going to break and retest and work its way down. Down to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on in the market. Price action on the daily time frame is a bullish doji. So price is just side by side with this candle here. This is a doji slash. So price action has tagged this area here twice. That's a double bottom. So we're going to see if this market is going to respect this area here. We'll look for that market to come back up. This could be a single bottom. It could be a double bottom in this area here before it come up. Or is that market breaking and retesting areas? I mean, this would be the midpoint. So the market broke. It just tagged the bottom. So it could push down or retest from this area here. Or price could come right back up and probably push down again. So far, we're looking for the next candle to engulf. If price action close out as this candle, we're looking for the next candle to close out to engulf this candle. That's going to push that market up or engulf it to the downside and close out to push that market down to the downside. But we can see that price action is near the midpoint. So let's draw our screen back a little bit so we can see. Price action is near the midpoint. So once price is here, we got to wait until that pattern really form. So what we're going to do is just wait around for that structure to identify itself in this area. If it pushes below that area, we'll identify that. We'll see it. If not, we may be seeing a double bottom or a double top that's going to push that market down further or push that market up. Headed down to the daily time frame. We're going to leave our midpoint line with the SR line on that daily time frame, and we're going to see what's going on at price action. Price action is a bearish, look like a doji. Okay, so we did receive It's reading the same thing. Market broke, pushed back up. We got a double top. So market pushed down into on the 4 hour time frame, pushed down to a triple bottom, and it pushed up to a double top. So that's like a break and retest. We don't know how far it's going to go up. Is it going to come up as far as the midpoint line, or is that it? We just look waiting for that engulfing pattern to engulf that bottom and to push that market down, or we get that consolidation or engulfing to upside. So structures really the same thing. So we are in that range. We can see that market is consolidating side by side on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the 3 looking like. Same as well. So this price action candle is a bigger candle from what we've seen on the 4 hour time frame, but it's still doing the same thing, attacking that top area for that resistance, the double top. So market's in a range where you want to see price action candle break above the second last candle to the downside or to the upside to push that market up and down, headed down to the 2 hour. Price action is reading the same thing, 432. Now we see that the second last candle is a doji, so that's an indecisive candle. So we're waiting for price action, engulf this candle to the upside or downside. So join a few things that could be forming in this area. We could be looking for that first leg, second leg, market push down for that third leg, we market push up for the fourth. So we get that double W formation. If not, this will be an area of the retest. So market broke. This will be as far as the retest can go, and the market could drop down further. Headed down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on. We got a little bit of a push down. It haven't closed out, but price action candle is like a solid bearish candle. I don't see any wicks on it. I'm not going to zoom all the way in, but so far it looks like a bearish candle. It's a bearish solid candle working its way down. But what you want to see this market drop, you want to see price action actually break below the third to last candle body or wick, depending on how the formation look, close out to push that market down. That's what we see. We see that market come down for that fourth leg, and we can see we're gonna reach back to previous areas of that low. Headed down to the 45. 1 and 45 is reading the same. 30, same. Having a hard time breaking. Prices is having a hard time breaking this previous area here at the support. The market pushed down. We got a retest, so we're gonna see it's gonna push down further, break back up. Let me zoom in a little closer because you guys are trading on a 50-minute time frame. What you want to see is you want to see price action engulf the previous second, third, fourth, the last candle in the market to engulf to push that market up, because that will be creating an area of support. We'll see that up. So the market will look something like this. We're going to come down and then push back up. So if we look at the overall first leg, second leg, third leg, market push up that fourth, get the break and retest in that area. If not, market is going to run into that area of resistance with the first leg, second leg, third leg coming down for the fourth. This could be the retest. The market drops down further. So that's a double top and a retest. Price can be coming from if it is down to the next level. Headed down to 5. Consolidation on the 5. So 15-minute 5, 3, 1. Or identifying that tight consolidation with W's and M's all in the market. You just want to see a candle engulf that consolidation area, put a rectangle around it. You want to see price push down. Very important information, guys. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. It's very important to understand images in the market. For example, we have a double top. What's a double top? Market started at a low, pushed up to a high, not once, but twice, which creates that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed down for that fourth. When the market came down to this midline, what it says neckline here, that's the midpoint. Very important information, guys. Break and retest strategy, very important. When the market's at a low, working to get to a high. When it breaks that midpoint line or any SR line, we look for market to break the midpoint early right here as we're looking at. Come back down to retest. We look for this area for the engulfment pattern. So we want to see this green candle engulf the previous candle, which is engulf the second or third candle, which is the dojis that push that market up. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention.